You can access your iCloud files on an Android phone, but there's a correct way to do this and another pretty risky way to do it. First of all, Apple doesn't have an iCloud app for Android, but if you go on the Play Store and search for iCloud, you'll see a bunch of apps there. These third-party apps are essentially unofficial wrappers, and to see your files, they force you to type your Apple ID and password directly into their interface, which means you're essentially giving a random, unverified developer total access to your entire Apple account. If that developer's servers get hacked, or if the app itself is malicious, your photos, emails, notes, passwords, and device locations are completely compromised. So we're not going to do that. The only proper and safe way to access iCloud on Android is through your web browser. You'll go to iCloud.com and then log in with your account and password. You're going to need your iPhone, Mac, or iPad to approve the login and get the authentication code. Once you're in, the mobile layout on your iCloud account is actually surprisingly clean, and you can access all your data through here. I can view all my photos, for example, and download photos directly here on my Android phone. This is great for accessing specific files on your iCloud account, but for transferring everything over to your Android phone, you'll need other tools, and we'll cover that in another video. You can also add an iCloud icon on your home screen for easy access. Tap the three buttons up top and choose Add to Home Screen. This will add a shortcut to the web page, making it look and feel like a standalone app, which makes accessing your iCloud a lot easier. Depending on your phone, the icon will either go directly on your home screen, or it might go in the app drawer like it did on mine. From there, I can long press it and add it to my home screen. And then just tap, hold, and drag the icon to your preferred position. That's basically it. Quick and easy way to safely access your iCloud files on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.